Hey guys, welcome back to Str33T Eatz at Home. Now, Shaz showed you how to cook a chicken schnitzel from scratch today, so I'm going to teach you how to use it in a sanger. That's my favourite way to do it. Now, what we need for this sanger is, we got bread, obviously, got some lettuce, which I'll show you how to shred up, got some finely sliced onion, nice tasty cheese, or whatever cheese you want to use in yours, got salt, pepper, butter, which we love me butter, mayo, and for anybody who loves hot sauce, I'm using this one. This is my favourite, so let's go. Okay, now to cut up the lettuce, get it all together, roll it up into a nice cigar shape, and finally slice it. Always keep those fingers curled up so you don't cut them. Now that there is what you want on your chicken schnitzel sanger. Now, let's get the bread. Buttering the bread nice and thick. Butter is beautiful. Butter adds flavour. Now, next thing, the mayo goes on. Not too much, because it'll make it too oily. Just on one side, you don't need to do both. Butter that nicely. Now, a little bit of the hot stuff. Not too much. Now, Shaz likes it hot, but she doesn't like too much of this. Okay, on with the cheese. Right, now we're going to go and cut the schnitzel that Shaz cooked earlier. We've just reheated it in the microwave. Make sure you get it nice and hot. Put that on the cheese so it helps the cheese melt a little bit. Bit of lettuce on top of that. However much you like. I love iceberg, but you can use whatever lettuce you want, whether it's rocket, spinach even, cos lettuce, whatever you like. And just wipe my hands a little bit.
In these times, Steve, you know, not many things are available, so just use whatever you got, whatever.
Exactly right. Bit of salt and pepper on the chili sauce. Much or as little white pepper and salt as you like. The onions on top.
Wow, can't wait to eat that, Steve.
I know you love me chicken schnitzels, babe. Over the top. Now, we'll cut her in half.
Gotta tell the people what it tastes like there.
Now, look at that. Perfect chicken schnitzel right there. Now, let's take a bite of this. Fantastic, as normal, as I always do them. So, Shaz, would you like to come up and try yours?
I'm here.
There you go.
Oh, wow.
And tell me what you think of it. Just clean some of this stuff out of the way.
Here we go. Oh, look at that. Jesus, Melvin. Yum. That's awesome. High five.
High five, babe. Now, you can use any mayo you like. You don't have to use a Kewpie like we did, but we love our Kewpie, so that's what we use. But use whatever's on hand. Don't have to have the hot sauce. If you don't like the hot sauce, don't do it. The hot sauce went on my first one as just a mistake. So go for it, guys. leave a comment, subscribe, like, and comment on if you've made it, and tag us in it so we can see. Have fun, guys, and we're back with another video on making a salad for the schnitzels for tonight's dinner. Cheers, guys.